Cracking your joints, is it bad for you? Love cracking your joints, or maybe someone told you it's bad for you. Let's clear this up once and for all. That popping sound is just gas bubbles releasing from your joints, not your bones grinding. And no, it doesn't cause arthritis. Science has proved it. But if you feel pain when cracking, that's a different story. Could mean stiffness, instability, or joint irritation. So crack away if it feels good. But if your joints hurt, book a physio session today. Let's keep them moving the right way.